Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Dominican Republic is marking a major milestone, becoming Amazon's newest Caribbean distribution hub. The tech giant's first cargo flight landed this week, officially launching operations. The move positions the country as a regional e-commerce leader. Amazon's entry is expected to drive job creation and boost the logistics, transportation and tech sectors. With fast deliveries in hours instead of days, consumer habits may shift significantly, but not everyone is celebrating. Local couriers and small businesses fear they could be squeezed out by Amazon's speed and pricing power. While full details are still under the wraps, there's talk of a hybrid model that may include partnerships with local delivery services. The JSE index advanced by 1,951 points today, and the junior market index declined by 6 points. The winners include JFP, ISP Finance Services, AMG Packaging and Paper, Palace Amusement, and AS Bryden and Sons. Losers were led by Berger Paints, Knutsford Express, Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living, and Jetcon Corporation. 18 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.25. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.84. The pound is going for $216.91, while the euro is selling for an average $186.95. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.